Okay guys, let's get started. I am going to use up some of these paints that I have left over, and then we'll move on to other color palettes. If you know of any colors that you would like to see in this style, please leave them in the comments and we will try to get to them. So I'm going to paint over this canvas. I liked it, but I don't like it that much. I'd rather do this. So we're going to put the base down. I have a little bit of green left. Hopefully I have enough, and we'll just get started. This paint is the PPG Multi-Pro in the eggshell, the white and pastel base. I'll put all of the paints in the description box. Don't want my design to spread out too much, so just a thin layer will be enough. Got a deep edge, so hopefully we can get over those without any problems. Paint has gotten a little thick on me. This one is the sap green, the Lucas Cryl. Okay. I've got the Veridian green by Lucas Cryl Studio. And got my black cell activator. I'm going to use the world's smallest blower, and I've got the attachment from Tracy Reed Designs Art from her tools, and you can find her Etsy link down below. I'm going to put it on the screen. So let's get started. Paints did get a little thick, but I think it's alright. Just going to come in here with a small palette knife. Okay. I'm going to do some little ribbons from the color. Like I said, we're using some of the same colors that we've used already, trying to use these colors up. Got a little bottle of water mixed with Floetrol that I am thinning this down with a little bit, so hopefully it'll flow a little better. That'll extend my yellow too. So we're going to do this one right here. That's the Indian yellow. And then we are going to do the gold. The Aztec gold by Arteza. We are going to do the magenta light by Arteza. This is an opaque color. It will help with the cell formation of like chameleon cells, where you have cells that have 2 different or 3 different colors in them. Not chameleon, but jelly bean cells. This color is really pretty. Then on top of that, I'm going to use the Pearl Amethyst Purple again and the Lamp Black cell activator. And I'm using the number 2 attachment, the middle sized attachment. don't like this because I grabbed into the white too much, but I think it'll be alright. The yellow, it's gone. Gold. Let's put the amethyst underneath the magenta. Okay. Thinking of doing like a turquoise blue, like a sapphire blue, turquoise, maybe a bright pinkish color, and an orange for the next one. I haven't decided yet, but I think turquoise and blue for sure with two other colors. So we'll see what we get mixed up. But I'm loving these Arteza colors, so I think I'm gonna look through my Arteza paints and see. Well, I have them all, so see what colors we can come up with. Do these little scoops really small. Because they're going to blow up a little bit as you spit them out. Hopefully don't lose it all. I think I may have made it too big, but we will see. Yeah, I don't have like differentiation right here. I probably should have put more green right there. Either way, I guess it's all right. Green left. A bit of green. Green and gold. Okay, let's try this. Better. Just kind of balanced it out a little bit. Get this baby covered. Lose my green maybe. Let's see. Bit of white spot there, but that's okay. Mystic. Well, that was that white part that I blew out on that flower that I didn't like. I think I covered. Lost battery, guys, but I think that's all I'm gonna spin it. Hopefully I got enough paint off. I did cover all the edges, and it's growing on me as I look at it. Hopefully it'll be all right. I'm going to do a little bit of fiddling, modifying a little bit, but other than that, that's it, I think, for that color palette, and then we'll move on to something else. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'd appreciate feedback, and I will talk to you guys soon. I'll be back with the dried results. Hang on tight. Dried results time, guys. Dried results time. It dried really well. Beautiful blooms. I think they blew out really well. They're just so detailed, and I love the color combination. I needed one to go in my shop since I had sold the other two immediately. I am looking forward to moving on to different color palettes, different techniques, revisiting old techniques, and enjoying my time just painting on the journey that I'm on, creating new things, coming up with new things. I'm glad you're with me on my journey. I couldn't do this without you guys. So I appreciate you so much for that. And yeah, so if you like this video, please leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would appreciate it. Hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload new videos, you will be the first to know. And again, as I said, I will have a premiere video every Thursday night at 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So set your alarm, set your notifications, and come on and join us in the live chat. And I will see you there or in other videos that I upload other than that. So exciting journey. Let's just get together and paint. So I will see you next time. And again, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome.